If you have an active NavTraffic subscription, the navigation system can notify you of accidents, construction, and other traffic events affecting the route ahead. To view traffic information, press the Info button on the control panel, then touch Traffic Info. Touch Info on Route to view traffic information along the currently set route, or touch Nearby Traffic Info for traffic information near the current vehicle location. A list of traffic events is displayed on the screen. Touch an item to view more detailed information. SiriusXM satellite radio, NavTraffic, and NavWeather are only available on vehicles equipped with an optional satellite radio subscription service. Multiple subscriptions may be necessary to activate the various features. Visit www.siriusxm.com/NavTraffic for more information about the NavTraffic service. Please see your navigation system owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.